Hi everyone, Alexis Paris here. Welcome to the first video on how to stream to Facebook and not use a phone. In the intro video, I mentioned that there's two tools that I use in order to accomplish this task. And one of the tools is called OBS. And so if you're not familiar with OBS, you don't know how to navigate through it, you don't know where to get it from, this video will teach you all of those things. And in this video, I will teach you how to set up OBS so that you can prepare yourself to go live. So first, where do you get OBS? You can just type it in Google. So just type OBS in the search bar like I did here. It's usually the first one to pop up. You're going to click download and you're going to download it to your computer. It's a free application. Just download it to your computer. And once it's downloaded and you click on it, when it's open, the background of it will look like this. And before we go live, there are a couple of housekeeping things that we need to do here to ensure that our live is a success. So the first thing that you want to check is to make sure that you are not in studio mode. And you're going to find studio mode over here to the right. You want to make sure that this is not clicked or highlighted blue. If it is clicked or highlighted blue, you are then going to get two separate screens, which we do not need at the moment. We just need one. So unhighlight the studio mode and make sure that you only have one video screen available, because that's all that you need. Secondly, go to volume and make sure only one mic aux is selected above. Make sure the other two are muted. They're not necessary. They may cause an echo and unneeded volume. So to mute them, just simply click the volume icon and it'll be muted. So just keep one open and mute the other two. Next, we need to have scenes in the scene box. Having scenes allows OBS to know that we need it to operate, we need it to function. So we're going to create a scene, and it doesn't matter what the scene is called. It's really just for organization, and you know like what's happening within that scene. So in this scene, we're going to call it Facebook Live without a phone. Right? And once we have a scene, the scene is no good until we add a source, because now we know that the scene is going to operate once this source is inserted into the scene. So when you are going live on Facebook, you have to decide what camera you want to use. The easiest camera to use is the camera that is attached to your computer. If you have a camera on your computer, it's usually located at the top. That's the camera that you want to use. If you have an external camera, you can use that as well. But I'm just going to show you how to use the camera that's already on your computer. In order to select that camera, we are going to select it through our sources. So to add a source, just the same way as we added a scene, we're going to click the add button. Now, you get an array of options, but to pick the camera that we need, we just need to go to video capture device, meaning which device is the video coming from, right? So we're going to click video capture device, and we're going to name this computer camera so that you know that this is your computer camera source and that everything stays clear, clean, and organized. So press OK once you name it. And then the device. So this is where if you had an external camera, your external camera after, set up and plugged into your computer, it would show up in the drop down. But for this video, we're just going to use the camera on my computer. So we're going to do FaceTime HD camera. Press OK, and you'll see me recording the video. All right, so that means that your camera is working, that everything is functioning, and we're good to go. Now, simply what I'm doing on the screen right now is sizing the video, because if there's black space on the video, then black space is going to appear on the Facebook Live video, and we don't want that. So just adjust the size of your camera screen. So I'm going to pull it this way, and just to make sure that the screen is full, make sure that there's no black going on, I'm going to turn the camera so I look a little better. So the way that you see yourself in this box is a way that it's going to appear on Facebook Live. So adjust lighting, do what you need to do in order to make sure that your camera device, that you look good, the lighting's good, and everything's together. All right. So that is set. Now, the next thing that we need to do, the next background thing that we need to do is we need to go to settings and fix a couple of things. So settings, you're going to click on settings over here on the right. And now you get this lovely box here. And here, general, everything's right. Make sure the language is set to English, but the important part is stream. All right, and you want to make sure that in this drop down, streaming services is clicked. In service, make sure that Facebook Live is clicked because that's what we're streaming to. We're not streaming to Twitch or YouTube or Smashcast or Mixer or Dailymotion or Live EDU or Restream. We're streaming to Facebook Live. So make sure that that is selected. And then the last thing, which I'm going to really show you in the next video, is how we're going to utilize the stream key. All right. But that is all of the background housekeeping that we need to do in OBS. Once you've done all of these things successfully, you are closer to going live on Facebook and not use a phone. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.